Hi, I'm Dr. Shipra Mathur, and today I'm going to address your concerns about cold and flu, the two most common illnesses at this time of the year. Both of them are highly contagious, and children will often pick them up from schools, from their play areas. Often an older sibling will bring the infection back home and infect the younger one also. So in a way, no matter how hard you try, your child is likely to be affected by it and pick it up from his environment. The important thing to know is that cold and flu are two separate illnesses. However, in the initial stages, their symptoms are very similar, and I will go through each one of them one by one for you. So the first symptom is usually nasal congestion. There could be a blocked nose or a runny nose. There could also be a clear discharge which later becomes green and mucoid. There could be a postnasal drip when the child is sleeping, causing him to cough in the night. There is usually a sore throat associated with this. This may cause difficulty in swallowing or a change in voice. The cough that accompanies may be a dry hacking cough, or it may be a very wet, phlegmy sounding cough. A third symptom is tiredness. There is significant tiredness, lethargy, and body ache and headache that goes along with it. The child may feel very inactive and not want to play and do much. There will also be loss of appetite. So we've just talked about the symptoms that are common to both cold and flu. However, it is important to know that they are two different illnesses and caused by two different viruses. So cold and mild flu resemble very much in how they present, but moderate and severe flu is much more aggressive. The symptoms are more severe, they progress more rapidly. Also, the fever may be high with chills and rigors. There may also be breathing difficulty in severe cases. Not all cold is flu. Read the signs right and bring fast relief to your child.